Good morning. This is GMD Eva Ardillas. Today, I will be showing you how to present a business plan. This is applicable using your physical business plan or your Kindle. I'm using Kindle here. As you can see later, the presentation is as simple as reading it. Why? There are two reasons for that. The first one, most of us are not medical professionals that give us the credibility to elaborate the products. Our credibility is in the stories. So if there are questions, that's the only time we explain it more. And if you cannot answer it, then just call upline. Moreover, sales are all about emotions. As they say, facts will only tell. It's the stories that sell. The second reason why we don't elaborate the presentation is because this is a duplication business. So the simpler, the better. The more people that can follow the presentation, the better for the business. So just read it plus your stories. Nobody is a star here. The system is the star. This business is not about convincing, but educating people about body pollution and building assets and never have to work again. So, are you ready to learn? Yes or yes? Yes.
Okay, so this is our training for the business plan presentation. So I'm using Kindle here. And as you can see later, this is just as simple as reading it plus your stories. Okay, let's start. Let's start with our company profile. Our company is Lifestyles. It is an international corporation founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada. Present in more than 30 countries, many countries in Asia, in Europe, in United States, and a lot more. All products are manufactured by Lifestyles in Canada. So we are the manufacturer of our own products. More than 30 years of proven success, proud member of the Direct Selling Associations or DSA. So our legitimate direct selling company. Okay, so this is a problem, our modern lifestyle. So our modern lifestyle is giving us modern disease like high blood, arthritis, and a lot more. And this is due to modern lifestyle which are related to unhealthy eating habits, lack of exercise, stress, environmental pollution. So that's the problem. So this is the solution. Since modern diet and today's lifestyle are not conducive to optimal health, nutritional supplements can help us achieve and maintain optimal health. So our company produces a full line of natural source, take note, natural source, premium quality products to help today's challenge. And with 30-day money back guarantee, very important. When I was starting out, I was so shy, no confidence, but this money back guarantee is giving me the confidence because it is guaranteeing the satisfaction of our customers. Yes. So this is our product, Intra. Intra is our flagship product. It has 23 herbs that supports our 8 body systems. So first function, detoxifier. So if you think your diet is unhealthy, it's sugary, it's fatty, you need Intra to cleanse it. Supports healthy cardiovascular system. So it maintains a healthy heart, digestive aids, energy boosters. If you think you get tired so easily, you need Intra. My love story with Intra, every time we go abroad in the plane, we take massively Intra for we don't feel any jet lag when we can take Intra and we are enjoying the whole trip. Balances hormones. So if your menstruation is not regular, Intra can help. Supports nervous and skeletal system. So in my younger years, I had arthritis, but now no more. Antioxidants. I love antioxidants because it slows down the aging process. Or Intra is rich in phytonutrients, and phytonutrients has antioxidants. Immune supporters. So this is what our product is all about. They thought Intra is a drug, for there are a lot of stories that their illnesses are gone. But it's not because of Intra, but having a strong immune system with Intra. Because we cannot get the proper diet anymore from our table. So that's why with a poor diet, our immune system is weak. And because the immune system is weak, it has no ability to fight the diseases inside. So with Intra, it is making our immune system healthy. And scientists said if your immune system is healthy, it can combat almost any kind of diseases. So if you think your diet is poor, it's unhealthy, strengthen your immune system with Intra. Okay, so this is the most frequently asked question. What makes Intra different from other products in the market today? So according to PubMed, PubMed is an independent study. It's a search engine used by medical professionals about science and medicine. And PubMed said only Intra has addressed the 8 biological system, including our cardiovascular, digestive and energy, eliminative antioxidant, endocrine, immune, nervous, reproductive, and structural. So it's like buying 8 products in one product. The second product is Nutria Plus. Nutria Plus is booster of antioxidants of Intra. So if you want more antioxidants because you want to get prettier, so Nutria Plus, you need Nutria Plus. It's a cellular nutrition, the nutrition at our cellular level. So it has powerful antioxidants from 12 synergistic ingredients of plant extracts, vitamin C, and Seleno-Excel Selenium used by National Cancer Institute. So the proven benefits of Nutria Plus, it helps prevent cancer cell growth. So if you don't want to get cancer, of course we don't want to get that, take Nutria Plus. Enhanced tissue repair for body injury. It can also reduce inflammation, the cause of many diseases, prevent skin damage due to sun exposure, and anti-aging activity because again, it is our ultimate antioxidants. The third product is CardioLife. CardioLife, it contains vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts, including Vita MK7, the well-studied vitamin K2 brand. This is for a healthy blood flow and scientifically formulated for healthy heart that can prevent stroke and stronger bones that can help prevent osteoporosis. And who are the students here? For the students and you want high score, you need CardioLife for it makes you smarter. It can give you a healthy brain that can prevent from Alzheimer. So Better Together Kit. So Better Together Kit, this is our ultimate 3-month detox program. So if you want to invest in your body, take Better Together Kit. So why 3 months? Because first month is cleansing, second month is nourishing, third month is strengthening and rebuilding of your body system. We heard a lot of stories, including me, my story with detox program. This is what we call the premium detox program. We feel detox, we feel so cleansed, we feel like we're overhauled with this Better Together Kit. Okay, so it provides 250 health building properties. So really, if you want to invest in your body, the only income generating asset, so you take Better Together Kit. Contents of Better Together Kit is 2 bottles of Intra Liquid, 1 bottle Nutria Plus, and 1 bottle CardioLife. Okay, so our product quality, premium quality, natural source products, manufactured under the world's most stringent or strictest quality controls, regulated by Health Canada, measured by GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, and HACCP, Hazardous Analysis Critical Control Point. These are the standards for purity, safety, and sanitation, scientifically formulated to meet your health requirements, carefully tested by independent ISO certified laboratories to ensure safety, purity, and reliability. So these are the logos, and also we are halal certified for our Muslim brothers and sisters, and kosher rated for our Jewish community. Okay, so that's all for our products. And we said, if your products are good, the business is done. So this is the business side of Lifestyles Products. So our business is part of wellness business, and it is exciting because wellness business nowadays is right timing. And wellness includes supplements, includes vitamins, healthy restaurants, organic foods, and a lot more. And it says in the year 2000, the health and wellness industry was just worth 200 billion in global annual sales. 5 years after, it doubled to 400 billion, and it was projected to reach 1 trillion in 2010. And you know what? It did happen. The prediction was made by Paul Zane Pilzer, a world-renowned researcher, new economy expert, and trend forecaster. So it did happen because in 2018, you know what happened? In 2018, the wellness business is worth not just 1 trillion, but $4.5 trillion business. Okay, so we have an exciting future. So our distribution strategy, we use network marketing. So again, network marketing is not our business. It's just a distribution tool. Our business is distributing Lifestyles products, just like pharmacy. But pharmacy are distributing medicines, as we are distributing healthy products. And how do we distribute it? By building our network. And how do we build our network of users and distributors? By using the franchising system. So it is the system that guarantee your success. So what is network marketing or direct selling? It operates like a franchise without a high cost. So they call it people's franchise. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry for more than 50 years. Who can go wrong in 50 years? Offers leveraging the secret of the rich. So this is very important. Actually, this is really an important part of our business opportunity, the chance to be leveraged. So what is leveraging? Leveraging. So leveraging is like when you have money in the bank. So working or not working, you're still earning because you are leveraged with your money, or you have building. So working or not working, you have rentals, so you still have money even you are not working. You are leveraged with your building, with your money. So if you don't have money yet or building yet, you can still be leveraged using this concept, using this business. Okay, so this is used by Fortune 500 companies, taught in business schools, and no more wholesaler and retailer. That's why we are direct selling company. Okay, so this is the franchising system, and we will explain